Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Copycat Monday. Why pay restaurant prices when you can cook it better at home? Today we're going to make Cracker Barrel strawberry cheesecake pancakes. We're going to start with making the filling. We're going to take 1 cup of heavy cream, pour it in a bowl. We're going to beat it on high until it forms soft peaks. Now we've got it to form soft peaks. We're going to set this aside. To a separate bowl, we're going to add in 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, and about a teaspoon of vanilla. Looks about right. We're going to blend to it smooth and creamy. And not put it on high right away and knock all the sugar out of it. Now that we got that blended up, we're going to add it to our whipped cream, or whipped heavy cream. And we're going to fold it in. We're going to set it in the fridge and let it chill until we're ready for it. Alright, to a sauce pot, we're going to add in 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, and 2 cups of strawberries that we've quartered. We're going to bring this to a boil. Now starting to reach a boil, we're going to reduce heat to low. Let it simmer for about 15 minutes. We're going to stir occasionally until the strawberries start to break down and the syrup starts to thicken. And now after it's cooked for 15 minutes, we're going to cut off the heat and we're going to set it aside. We're going to get started on our batter for our pancakes. Now to a bowl, we're going to add in 2 eggs, 1.5 cups of buttermilk, and 1/4 cup of whole milk, and 1/4 cup of melted butter. We'll whisk that up and combine it. Now it's whisked together. We're going to set that aside. To this bowl, we're going to add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour. We're going to add in 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon salt. And we're going to whisk that together. Now we're going to take our dry ingredients, and a little at a time, add it to our wet. Now batter will be thick. That's about good. If it's too thick, you can always add a little bit of milk. So I learned my lesson from the last pancake video. That a little electric skillet is very nice to use for some things, not everything. not making a bunch of pancakes at one time, so we're going to bring out the big old, well, I ain't saying the name because they don't pay me, my griddle. So we can cook more than one at a time. Ladle them in. Now, I ain't gonna make you suffer this part. You know how to make pancakes. You probably made them a million times. So I'll see ya when these are all done. Now it's time for pancakes assemble. Take a little bit of our filling. Second pancake. A little bit more filling. Third pancake. We're going to top with some whipped cream. Couple strawberries. And some of our syrup. And now it's time to eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. Oh, that's pretty darn good. Now, when we went to Cracker Barrel the other day, I didn't get to try it, but our daughter did, and she said it's
better
than Cracker Barrel. I was able to make 15 pancakes. So, serving at Cracker Barrel was 3 pancakes, so that serves 5 people, and it cost $15. Just a little bit more than Cracker Barrel for one. So for 15 bucks, you can feed 5 people. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.